Who's that climbing down the tree? It's Chunky. It's Chunky. Who's that squirrel that's following me? It's Chunky. It's Chunky. That's Chunky.
Where's your other half a tail? Huh? You're missing half your tail. Hey babies. Who's your new friend with a half tail? Huh? Come here. Come on. It's cold. Chunky! Blue jays are over there and other birds. Oh. Getting ready. Whoa!
There they go. Yeah. Can't used to out no more.
Man.
Hear them calling.
Look at all these birds coming over. Up there? Yeah, I hear them. Yeah. Oh! Oh, you hit him right in the back.
See that?
Yep. It's not too cold right now.
No. Big difference than yesterday.
He's burying the peanut on your lawnmower right there.
Lower up.
That's funny. He just buried it in the mower.
And run what's in the car.
Jeez. I see it. It's the cameras. When I zoom in, it gets fuzzier, but it's still funny as shit. No, I just made today's video. What? Come on. Come on. Where are you going? Come on. Come on. Come on. What do you think? Are you too good for those? What's up, buddy? You get him. Whoa, what's going on, huh? Oh, world's coming to an end. Hey, buddy.